In today's video, we will be talking about our new flagship device Huawei Mate X3 top 3 KSPs. The first KSP is big screen foldable smartphone. The second KSP is slim lightweight quad curve foldable design, and the third KSP is durable Kunlun glass. So let's get started.
The first KSP is big screen foldable smartphone. Feature: the Huawei Mate X3 is unique big screen foldable smartphone. If your phone is folded, it's 6.4 inches, and if it's unfolded, it's 7.58 inches, which is huge display. Advantage of having this feature: Mate X3 X-True display is certified by TUV Rheinland that reduces the damage to the eyes while staring at the screen. Benefit of having this feature: the Huawei Mate X3 X-True big display TUV Rheinland certified low blue light eye comfort technology surely protects your eyesight. Example: if you are watching movies or doing some office work on your phone, don't worry about your eyesight. And also, Huawei X-True display give you true colors for viewing experience. And the second KSP is slim lightweight quad curve foldable design. Advantage of having this feature: the Mate X3 slim and lightweight. Its weight only 239 grams, and when it's unfolded, 5.3mm thin, which is more slimmer than competitor brands. Benefit of having this feature: the quad curve foldable display gives you a better grip on the phone and better viewing experience. Example: if you are playing games or watching your favorite series on Netflix, you will feel easy and relaxed to hold this amazing Mate X3 because it's very lightweight and also quad curve. And the third KSP is durable Kunlun glass. Advantage of having this feature: if you compare Kunlun glass with other flagship smartphones, most of them are good and strong, but this Kunlun glass is more unique with 5-star glass drop resistance certification from SGS Switzerland. Benefit of having this feature: this time the durable Kunlun glass of Huawei Mate X3 keeps the screen out of harm's way, and the overall drop resistance is boosted 10 times more. Example: if you are busy with some different tasks and suddenly your phone dropped down, so don't worry, this Kunlun glass will not break and even scratch as well.
So thanks to Huawei for giving us amazing and best device, and thanks to all of you for watching my video. We'll meet soon with another video and another content. Till then, bye bye.